Black Friday. It came, it went, but it's time to see what I got. As we, together, as a people, take it out. Alright, I am back with my Black Friday haul. So I'm going to go ahead and put this aside for right now. So on Black Friday, I mainly like to go after some of the smaller stuff. Usually like movies and games that have a good discount. So let's start with what we got here. So we got some movies and stuff. So we got Justice League in 4K. I believe this was $9 at Target. I do like to collect 4K movies just because of the quality. And then, of course, you had the Aladdin Lion King 2-pack. I believe this was $20. Not the best discount, but still not bad for $20, especially these classic games. I got Jumanji, also $9 from Target. I wanted to see this movie. Haven't seen it yet. I know there's a new one that just came out recently. And then Resident Evil 2, the remake, for $15. I think that's a good deal for this game. I've really been wanting to play this because I've always been interested in Resident Evil, but the gameplay in the original games was too terrible. So I'm excited to play this and finally get to try it, especially now that I got the Xbox One X. What better time than to buy it on Xbox and give it a try? And then the movie Us. After seeing Get Out, I was really interested in watching this movie. This was also $9 at Target. It looks weird, and that's kind of what intrigued me about it. Get Out looked weird, and I didn't think I was going to like it. I liked it a lot. So I'm excited to watch this. I haven't seen any of these movies yet that I bought. But for $9, it's cheaper than buying a movie ticket to go see it once. So in my opinion, if it's a movie I'm semi-interested in, it makes more sense to wait until like Black Friday and go and buy the movie than to go to the movies and see it. So that's how I do it, and I like the quality stuff. I have Dolby Atmos downstairs and an OLED, so I really like having a good movie experience at home. Then we go over to Best Buy where we picked up Aquaman for $10, I believe. I also bought Tetris Effect for PlayStation. That was also that was $20, but it was cheaper than anywhere else. Everywhere else had it for regular price, which is $40. And I really wanted to play this game for a while. I heard that it was really good. So Tetris Effect, and then Spider-Man Far From Home. Actually, Target had a better deal on this. I paid $13 for it at Best Buy. Didn't do my research. Sorry, y'all. Still a really good deal. We haven't seen this one yet, so another movie that I wanted to see. I waited for the Blu-ray. So we're going to watch this. And that's pretty much it as far as movies and games. Another small purchase that we made was the Roku streaming stick, which I don't have here because we already hooked it up in the bedroom, but they had the one that does 4K and HDR for $30. Unfortunately, we don't need the 4K and HDR, but the one that they had on sale at Walmart for $18, that was like the standard definition one, was like a little box instead of being a streaming stick. And the TV we have it on is just wall mounted. There's like no table or shelf under it to hold anything on, so we needed a stick for it. And we were replacing our Fire Stick because personally I don't care a lot for the Fire Stick interface. And it was a little bit slow, so we went back over to Roku in our bedroom. I showed this off in my Black Friday preview video, but we also got this, the purple PS4 controller for $40 at Best Buy. It's $39 at Walmart and GameStop as of the time of this recording because this is still Black Friday. So I'm not sure what the sales are going to look like on Tuesday when this video goes up. But if you're looking for a PS4 and Xbox controller, this is a great time to buy one because they're discounted. Ours was a little bit worn out. Jeff really wanted a purple one, so we got that. We also got the Pokeball Plus accessory that works with Pokemon Go. And also the Pokemon Let's Go games. I think I said in the last video it works with the new games. It does kind of work with the new games, but you can't use it as a controller like you can with Pokemon Let's Go. It works as in you can take your Pokemon for walks, so it does have some functionality. But mainly it works for Pokemon Go and then the Pokemon Let's Go game. And Let's Go you can actually control it because this is a thumbstick and catch Pokemon with it. There's a little button on the top. It's pretty cool. It was only $20, so I feel like it's worth it, especially if you already invested in Pokemon Go, because this automatically gets Pokestops for you. And there's a bunch of other crap that's kind of cool. But I know I haven't got much tech stuff. But I did pick this up. I couldn't resist it. The PlayStation VR bundle. Now, currently, I have an Oculus Rift. I know that it's better quality than this, but there's one game that I've been dying to play up here, and that is Resident Evil 7 in VR. They still haven't released it for PC. I don't know if they ever will, but this was a 5-game bundle for $200. So you get Resident Evil, Everyone's Golf VR, which I also heard was good, Astrobot, which I heard was good as well, Skyrim VR. I do have this on PC, so it kind of sucks getting the same game twice, but, you know, still a free game. And then PlayStation VR Worlds, which I heard was alright. But for 5 games for $200, this is the best PlayStation VR deal for Black Friday, in my opinion. There's another bundle that was $250 that came with 2 games, but it also has the Move controllers. This does not come with the Move controllers, but I'm not too concerned about that because I can add those in the future if I want to. And this kind of kept going in and out of stock during Black Friday, so I was like, let me go ahead and grab this before I don't have the chance to get it anymore. That is my Black Friday haul. Everything that I got for Black Friday. There were a few other things I got a few weeks ago. Like, I did get a Dolby Atmos receiver, the Onkyo 7.2 or 7.1 surround sound receiver for $250. Then I got some Atmos speakers. I got Sony branded ones for $100 to bounce the sound off the ceiling. But that was kind of pre-Black Friday, so I'm not including that in this video. But let's go ahead and peel this open, just kind of see what's in the box. We could do like a mini unboxing of the PlayStation VR here. Boom, you got the PlayStation logo inside. I had to fight to get that out. Woo! Alright. Boom, boom. PlayStation VR right there at the top. This is a large book. And this is basically the guide just to connect it up. Let's just get in here, see. We got, okay. So they give you the demo disc for PlayStation VR. That's like Bumper Battlezone, Moss, Job Simulator. I have a lot of these games already on PC, so I'm not too concerned about that. Another instruction booklet. You got your power cord, HDMI cable. You got the headphones that plug into it if you want to use headphones. You got your breakout box. The PlayStation camera, which you have to have for tracking. There's a lot of stuff with this thing. Okay, micro USB cable. Some kind of bracket. I think it's probably for the webcam. Cleaning cloth. And then under all this, you have the headset itself. Man, there's a lot of stuff that comes in this box. Alright, let's get this out of the wrapping. Okay, PlayStation, I see what you did here. Let's just pop this on for a second. I'm just curious about this. This thing is fairly comfortable. Now there's a way to adjust it down. I'm just stupid. I'm trying to read the instructions. But I'm actually impressed by the build quality of this thing. I've never actually tried one on in person, so it is seems pretty nice. I'm honestly surprised by how comfortable this is. They balance most of the weight in the back of it. Like I said, I've never tried one of these on, so that thing seems pretty cool. You kind of sift through this, the headphones. There's a lot of crap here. I don't mean crap like in the bad way crap, just stuff in general. So yep, this is your webcam mount. I think you can mount it on top of the TV if you want, which is probably what we'll do. There's breakout box. I don't know where this thing is going to go at, but we'll figure it out. And then that, and okay, so this also has the vouchers inside for the games. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm going to get this hooked up. I might do a video, another extended video on the PlayStation VR by itself. That's pretty much it. So this was my Black Friday haul. It's a little bit of a mess right now, but it is what it is. This is what I ended up with, and I'm happy with the purchases, especially the PlayStation VR. I've been excited to try it for a while. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to tell a friend, tell a coworker, like, share, and subscribe, and always do at least 2 things at the same time. We out!